everyone, and welcome to Red, White, and Blue Woodworking. And today I'm going to show you how to turn this piece of pressure treated pine into these 32 coasters. Actually, I just have 16 on display here because I sold the other 16, but let's get to the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to turn the blade to a 45-degree angle, and this will bevel each side. In this video, I wanted to talk about how much I sold these for. So this was a set of 4, and ended up selling them for $15 a set of 4, and these basically came at no cost to me because I was just using scraps and leftover stuff, and it took very little time. So I sold 4 sets at $15 a set, so that made me $60, and so basically that was about $20 an hour, which is about usually what I charge. So that'll lead me into my next point, which is I just wanted to end this video and say thank you to all my subscribers. You may have noticed I just hit triple digits, so I've hit 100 subscribers, which may seem kind of small to most people, but to me it's a pretty big achievement considering it's within 1 year, which I didn't expect at all. So thank you all so much, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing or liking the video, and until next time.